Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. When s approaches to number 0 on the right, this one will go to negative infinity. This one will go to negative infinity, but we have the power 2. So this one you got about positive infinity. So negative infinity divided by positive infinity. For this situation, we will use about L'Hospital. So we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. This one you got about 1 over s. This one we will have about 2 ln s over s. So we simplify 1 over s and s. When s approaches to number 0 on the positive, this one they will go to negative infinity. 1 divided by negative infinity, you got about 0. And that's the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.